Welcome. Let's take a look now at a risk event for the week starting Monday, the 24th of October. Let's go into a corporate news headline I want to watch out for. And take a look, first of all, at some of the big tech earnings out next week, because I think this is where I really wanted to look. Tuesday, 25th of October is Microsoft and Alphabet, Google's owner. Wednesday comes Facebook's owner, Meta Platforms. And on Thursday, 27th, we've got Amazon, Apple, and Intel. But I want to focus in on that Microsoft number that comes out after the closing bell on Tuesday. It trades all sessions on the IG platform, so you've got an opportunity to trade this. First quarter earnings for the fiscal first quarter, we're looking for $2.30 a share on revenues of $49.82 billion. Now, the big thing about this is how fast the company continues to drive through with its cloud business and what the outlook looks like. It's not necessarily about the first quarter numbers themselves. It's about the outlook for the second and third quarters ahead. Let's take a look at the share price chart and remind ourselves as to where we came from. We went into this $1 trillion market cap mid-2019. Then we saw the $2 trillion market cap hit and passed in June 2021 with the recovery on from the COVID lows we had all the way down at $130 a share. Record high coming in at $350. Since then, there's been this move lower. Now, we've got this channel in place here. We've recently hit the top of the channel, which includes this prior line of support at 241.60, and we rebounded from that and pulling back. Now, the bottom of the channel coincides with this low point we had here back on the 13th of October at 218.99. Now, if we get good numbers out from Microsoft, we will be expecting the top of this band here to be broken, and you would go long with a stop underneath this line of support down here at around about the $218 level. If you think that there is the slightest hint of weakness coming through, and of course, bear in mind, this is a US company, reports in US dollars, it's got a very strong dollar, and that could well be a headwind to the numbers and indeed the outlook. Then you'd be looking at a short trade with your stop above the top line of this falling line of resistance at around about the $245 level with a view to taking it lower. So it does all depend on what the outlook looks like from Microsoft when it reports its earnings after the bell on Tuesday.